Okay, so first we'll position the patient properly. We'll ask him to sit nice and straight, feet flat on the floor, and pull up nice and close to the instrument. We want to make sure that the table is at a proper height where the forehead strap is about eye level. Now we'll ask the patient to turn their head slightly to the left and put their chin in the chin rest, forehead right against the forehead strap. We'll ask the patient with the right eye to look for the cross with the green background. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is move the patient's pupil into view. Now that it's into view, we're going to use the diagonal buttons to bring the iris into focus. So just like that. Now we're going to use the pupil align button to center and track the pupil. From here we'll go into retinal illumination. This will show us the retina. So as you can see, there is no center reflection or halo. So I'm going to bring in the center reflection, clear it 2 taps, and hit working distance right away. So if I click on working distance track, and I haven't quite completely removed the reflection off the screen, while it's tracking, I can use the diagonal keys to change the working distance while it's tracking. Now I'm going to use the focus to bring the small vessels into focus, just like that. I'm going to touch off the macula and click on the ×2 button, and now I'm just going to do fine focusing to bring the small vessels into best focus. Always going past best focus so I know what it is. Now that we have something that looks good, I'll go to the ×1 button and we'll start imaging now. Alright, so now what we want to do is focus on the big image in the middle of the screen to ensure that the image is in focus, that there's no sporadic eye movement, that we don't catch a blink, and generally the image quality is good. Alright, so we'll just get the patient to sit still. They can blink as much as they'd like. What we're going to do is single tap on each image just to ensure that each image is in focus, they're aligned properly, and everything looks good. So now we'll click accept and we're ready to image the left eye.